Hi, I am Luis, and in this video I will present you the KROFtools High Pressure Common Rail Test Kit. The High Pressure Common Rail Test Kit was designed to test the fuel pressure in pretty much all kinds of diesel-powered vehicles equipped with a common rail injection system. Most manufacturers only make testing tools for their specific common rail systems, which can be very restrictive, since most car workshops deal with cars from all manufacturers. On the other hand, this high-pressure test kit is equipped with flexible hoses that allow you to test any common rail injection system up to 2000 bar. It also allows you to conduct a series of different tests for you to make a good and quick diagnosis of the engine's common rail system. Let's take a look. The first test assesses the fuel pressure after startup. You just need to disconnect the fuel metal hose from the pump to the rail and connect the pressure gauge between the rail and the pump. Now start the engine. The pressure should hold at around 300 bar. If not, something might be wrong with the fuel pump. When you accelerate, the fuel pressure should increase accordingly. If the engine doesn't start and you suspect there's a faulty injector that is preventing the fuel pump from reaching 300 bar, you can also test each injector. Disconnect the injector you think is faulty and replace it with an injector spacer. If you replace the leaky injector, the injector spacer will allow the pump to reach 300 bar during startup and the engine will start. You should repeat this procedure in all the injectors. If all injectors are in good condition, the problem can be from the fuel pump. You can perform another test to measure the maximum pressure achieved on the pump. There are engines that cut off the fuel injection of some pistons when the fuel pressure is below 600 bar. For this test, you only need to connect the pressure gauge to the pump with one flexible hose. With a blank plug, block the outlet of the pressure gauge. Don't forget to attach the waste bottle. Now try starting the engine. The engine won't start and that's fine, but the pressure should reach more than 1050 bar. If the pressure doesn't reach that value, something might be wrong with the fuel pump. In some cases, the problem is not from the fuel pump, but from the pump's pressure regulator. To understand what's happening, connect the engine to a diagnostic machine. Take some readings for comparison and disconnect the engine from the machine. These will be the readings from the pump's pressure regulator. Now disconnect the pressure regulator from the common rail and connect the suited simulation regulator provided in the KROFtools kit. Now repeat the startup pressure test with a pressure gauge. This time you'll be getting the true pump's pressure readings. So if the diagnostic machine's readings do not match these ones, it means something might be wrong with the regulator. As you can see, the KROFtools High Pressure Common Rail Test Kit is incredibly useful and allows you to do a broad range of tests for an accurate and quick diagnosis of the engine's common rail system. Subscribe to our channel to receive the latest product news and to learn how to use them. Thank you for watching.